So hi friends, how are you? So in the previous class we have discussed about sets, their definition and the properties of their elements and how to express them, isn't it? So today in this second period we are going to discuss about a Greek symbol. This is a very interesting symbol, and then already we have met many Greek symbols, and in addition to them we will be getting one more symbol, and then how it behaves and how this is applicable to our chapter sets. So that those things we will discuss today. And then one more point is there, equality of two sets. When two sets become equal, that property will be discussed today. And then that's all. I hope your response in the previous class was very good. So that is how we will be continuing. And so let's get started to this class. Okay. Today we are going to learn one more new Greek symbol, that is in addition to our many Greek letters and symbols that we already learned, right? Name of this symbol is Epsilon. Epsilon is used to denote belongs to. That means to be the property of somebody else, or being a member of a particular group or an organization or a collection. Okay, that means belongs to means being a part, right? So not epsilon is just to mean the opposite of belongs to, right? That is not to be a part of a whole body. Okay. V denotes set of vowels in English alphabet. V contain A, E, A is in V, right? That is V contains A, and then we write this symbol. A belongs to V. Now let us think of this symbol, right? B does not belong to V. Now see, no B is here. So this is our explanation actually. Now let us work out a problem, right? From the textbook. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the elements. Insert the appropriate symbol epsilon or epsilon naught, okay, in the blank spaces given in these places. This symbol epsilon and opposite of epsilon are to be used to represent whether elements are in A or not in A, okay. So if 5 is inside A, then we will use this symbol, and let's check whether 5 is in A or not. So we see 5 is there, so we are using epsilon. Got it? Now in 2, 8, which is not in A, so we will use 8 does not belong to A, right? And in case of 0, 0 is also not there, so 0 does not belong to A. 4 belongs to A. Got it? 2, you see there is in A, 2 is present, so 2 belongs to A. 10, is it there? No, so does not belong to. Okay? So dear students, I think you understood what does it epsilon mean now. So if yet you have difficulties, then you can ask openly, freely come forward to ask any question, any type of questions regarding to the topic, right? Okay, right now we will study about the equality of two sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. Here they means A and B both, and the elements in A are exactly same as in B. Fine. And then we write A equal to B. Number of elements in A, number of elements in B must be equal, and then elements in B are same with the elements in A. And in this type of situations, we say A is equal to B. Okay. Then, for example, A is equal to 1, 3, 8. Then for B, so here we have to take the same elements whatever we are writing in A. Okay. 1, 3, 8. Only then they will be equal. Fine. Now in the following state, whether A is equal to B or not, where A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B, x is positive even integer and x is less than equal to 10. Are these two sets equal? So for that we have to write B in tabular form. So here positive even integer is given and then x is less than equal to 10. So we are going to write those elements in B. Here we have to focus even integer and positive, right? So 2 will be the first element and then 4, next 6 up to 8, 10 is to be considered here because x is less than equal is given. Okay, that one. See, 10 is less than equal is given. Fine. Okay, our B is complete now. Let's compare now A and B. See, they have contained the same elements, so A is equal to B. Got it? Now let's work out the question number 2 and 3. Okay, here in 2, A is a set which is a multiple of 10 and B contains 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. So what is in A? Let's note it down. X is a multiple of 10. That means first number will be 10, then 20, then 30 and so on. Okay, up to infinite. Now observing B, we get 10, 20 and 30 with 25 and 15. Okay, so A is not equal to B. That is what we will write this way. Now in 3, X is a letter in the word follow. So what are the elements in A? Let's write them. First F, okay, then O is to be written, then next in place of double L we will write only one single L because this is the way of writing elements in a set. Now O is not going to be written, W is the final elements in A. Now let's move to B. B contains W, then O, then L and then finally F. Comparing both A and B, we get they are same because their orders are not same but elements are exactly same. So we can write A is equal to B.